Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Wow, do I have some gorgeous goodies to show you today. I have some beautiful, beautiful gel polishes from Madam Glam. They are stunning glitters, absolutely beautiful. Now, they are for their Valentine campaign. So with February being the month of love, the campaign is called Green Hearts. Now, one of the core values for Madam Glam is that they are 9-free, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free. So in conjunction with a Valentine's promotion, this is also about raising awareness towards the protection of animals, which is something I'm very passionate about, so I'm really keen to get behind this campaign. So very quickly, the colours, there's 3 here, the Change, Earth Day and Make a Difference. So that is the colours, and as you can see, they are all beautiful glitters. So I'll move those out the way and I'll grab the next 3 for you, just to show you the labels. So that's the Spirit, don't mind me rolling them around a bit, Pure Energy, and then the last one, Organic Lavender. So super cute packaging. The labels are really pretty, and look at these colours. So I'm literally going to swatch them for you, and then I'm going to do a tutorial because I think these are just stunning and we need to see what they look like on nails. So if you'd like to see what I'm doing, please keep watching. All done. I will pop a better picture at the end. I've used the Madam Glam Soak Off Top Gel. It does have an inhibition layer, so you need to remove that. And these are just beautiful. So they are so pretty with the ombre on the clear tip, and the stamping just gives it a little bit extra. Now with these gel polishes, with the exception of the very fine silver holographic, you do have to manipulate these around the nail a little bit, kind of more like applying a hard gel. So go in with a little bit and sort of slowly drag it down the nail. Don't put too much pressure on because you actually end up dragging off more product than you put on. And I would say you actually definitely don't need 2 coats with these. This the hand here, it only has one coat of each colour. The colour pops, I did do 2 coats just for the sake of so you could see what they look like, but I don't think you need 2 coats at all. I think they look really pretty with just the one. And sometimes with glitter polishes, if you do put 2 coats on, it takes away from the effect of the glitter. So I'm super happy with these. As I said, this is a Valentine's Day promotion, but it is also an animal awareness promotion to protection of animals, and I think it's a great thing. So the discount code will be on the screen now. So this is an extra discount code. I always have my Kate 30, but as of the, I think it's the 14th of February, after the 14th of February, there is an extra discount code. So I'll pop that on the screen now, and I will also pop it in the description bar. And okay, so I was just double checking there just so I can give the right information. So after the 14th of February, for this collection alone, Kate V-Day 40 will give you 40% off. For everything on the site, Kate 30 is always valid. Now, you can also become a VIP member, which gives you 50% off. So that's a completely different thing, but that is something that is always there, but you have to be the VIP in the VIP program to get the 50%. Otherwise, there's 30% codes floating around all the time, and keep an eye out because Madam Glam do have regular sales. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. As I normally do, I will leave everything linked in the description description bar. So thumbs up if you like the video. If you've got any comments or questions about these products, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. As I said, I'll link everything below. Please subscribe if you haven't, guys. Really appreciate your support. I will catch you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.